Are you using Excel to manage share-based payments? Looking for a solution that could streamline your year-end reporting process and ensure compliance with accounting standards as you prepare for your annual audit? Qapita's financial reporting module is a game-changer for your finance team. Enhance efficiency and accuracy. No more manual calculations in cumbersome Excel workbooks. Effortlessly manage employee grants, capture fair values for amortization, and input assumptions with ease. Qapita lets you capture historically recognized expenses and run reports for your preferred reporting period. And the best part? It's audit-ready. These reports are meticulously built in line with IFRS 2 share-based payment requirements, ensuring compliance without the headache. It lets you customize your reports effortlessly and generate amortization schedules and required disclosures required to be presented in your company's financial statements. Upgrade your financial reporting experience today. Visit qapita.com for a demo.